You who have been following this project, I want to take you on a little quick tour of the completed deck. We've got roughly a 16 by 8 up there leading into the bedroom, with the ramp coming down to this landing, down to this landing, and out to the garage, out to the concrete. Backing up, we have a ramp leading up to a 24 by 12, and just so you know, the part that has been painted white is kiln dried, able to be painted in the initial stages, so you can get a glimpse of the 18 by, excuse me, the 12 by 24 here. So it's been quite a project, quite a few spindles painted and cut and put together, but hope you've enjoyed watching the project. And if you know anyone who needs a deck, I would say I'm in the deck business. At any rate, you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll see you on the next project.